What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change voices in Gemini 2.0. On top of that, you'll learn how to use it as well. So how to do it: open up your Gemini app guys, and here you want to first ensure that you switch the language model from the 1.5 to the 2.0. Now click the profile picture in the upper right hand side, right? And then you want to go ahead and click on settings, and here the second option will be the Gemini voice. Now you want to click on that. Before clicking that, I just want to let you know that once you click on this, you can swipe across or you can switch between those language models. Once I click on it, it's going to start speaking, so I don't want to interrupt. So I'm going to just let you hear what some of these voices sound like, and then we'll just choose one.
I'm ready to be your voice.
Feel free to keep exploring until you find.
You can always change voices later. I'll be here.
If you're curious about the other voices, swipe.
It's good to meet you. Give me a chance.
Maybe I'm your style. Pick me.
I'd be honored to be the voice you choose for Gemini.
Choosing a voice is tricky, but hopefully it's also fun.
I'm going to choose that one there, as you can see. Now let me show you how to use it. So if I go back to the Gemini app and I can just say, what is AI, right? Let it go ahead and tell me what it is. And once I get the answer, then I'm going to show you how to use the voice. So as you can see, it's currently loading. I know it's finished. Now, in order for it to read and tell me what this is, I'm going to simply press the speaker icon in the upper right hand side.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is a broad field of computer science that aims to create machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, acquiring information, and rules for using the information.
And there you have it, guys. You can pause it whenever you want if you don't want to read it anymore by simply pressing that speaker icon or the pause button right above the right hand side here. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it.